equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. These will help you safely open your laptop and inspect the battery. First, power off your MSI Modern 14 and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the underside of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This not only helps with airflow but also ensures you can see the battery clearly. Now, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular component with a connector attached. To check the battery code, look for a label on the battery itself. This label will provide important information, including the model number and manufacturing date. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assist you in identifying any issues with your battery. Next, if you need to replace the battery, gently disconnect the battery connector by pulling it straight out. Be careful not to pull on the wires. If you're unsure about this step, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about transporting your laptop. After disconnecting the battery, you can replace it with a new one if necessary. Ensure the new battery matches the specifications of the original. Reconnect the battery by aligning the connector and pushing it back into place. Before reassembling your laptop, take a moment to inspect the area for any loose screws or debris. If everything looks good, place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can handle everything for you if you prefer. Finally, power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This ensures you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. By following these steps, you can effectively check and manage the battery code on your MSI Modern 14, ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.